In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Docs with Notion. If you've ever felt the need to streamline your workflow by connecting these two popular productivity tools, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly share information between Google Docs and Notion, making your work more efficient and interconnected. First, begin by opening your Chrome browser. This is because we're going to leverage a third-party integration that works best with Chrome. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Notion Web Clipper extension. This extension is a handy tool that will allow us to clip content from any web page, including Google Docs, directly into Notion. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. This process should be pretty straightforward, but ensure you allow any pop-ups or permissions that are required. With the Notion Web Clipper installed, head over to Google Docs and pull up the document you want to integrate with Notion. Right at the top of the Chrome window, you'll see the Notion extension icon, which looks like a small square. Click on that icon, and you'll be prompted to log into your Notion account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your credentials handy. After logging in, the Notion Web Clipper will ask you where you'd like to save your Google Docs content within your Notion workspace. You can choose a specific page or create a new one directly from this pop-up menu. Once you've selected the destination for your document, you'll have the option to customize what you are clipping. The Notion Web Clipper lets you add notes or comments before saving, which could be useful if you need to flag any particular details or observations. After you've made any necessary adjustments, simply hit Save. The content from your Google Doc will now be transferred over and saved into Notion, appearing neatly on the page you designated. For those who need to update documents frequently, this integration can save you time and keep your work organized in one central hub. Keep in mind, however, that while this method imports the content, more complex elements like tables or images might require some manual adjustments once in Notion. And there you have it. By using the Notion Web Clipper, you've successfully integrated Google Docs with Notion. This process not only keeps your workspace tidy but also ensures that you have easy access to all your valuable information across platforms. Keep practicing this integration to get more proficient, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity tools.